Hello everyone, so that's the WordPress. So I have deleted all product, and this product image is located in our server. Check this, all almost 300. So I have used the image cleaner. So image cleaner is this is my image cleaner. I have used this completely free plugin. So here click the image cleaner. Our server is showing the issue, so click check the 300 video, nothing shows. So it's I am used orphan cleaner, so it's can now click. So our server is going issue. Image cache cleaner. So setting is automatically optimized. You can set how many hits per page cache. Second is strictly save LCP. Everything we have setting. So this is the dashboard here showing how many media. Let's reload the. So our server is showing this issue. We have solved the issue.